Marching with hearts, marching with dreams, schools and hospitals, planting the seeds. In 1885, a Penzeller came. Pai Chai School, a brand new name. Boys learned science, English too. A brighter world began to bloom. In 1886, the doors swung wide. Mary Scranton stood with pride. Ewha Yonsei for girls so bright, learning to read, to heal, to write. Seeds of light, we carry on. Schools and dreams, from dusk till dawn. Seeds of love, forever true. They built a path for me and you. Baird in Pyongyang raised Sung-sil High. Faith and learning side by side. Cheongdong rang with children's song, a Methodist dream growing strong. Chongshin trained the hearts to lead. Planting churches, sowing seeds. Yonhee College rose with pride. Underwood's light will never hide. Seeds of light, we carry on. Schools and dreams, from dusk till dawn. Seeds of love, forever true. They built a path for me and you. One healed the broken land.